Hi, it's Sarah Taylor. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. Today I'm doing a 24 by 18 by 24 inch canvas, and this will be donated to FAE for the raffle at the gala. And Fluid Art Experience this year is in Asheville, North Carolina, and it's the May 23rd through the 25th. There's going to be an awesome lineup of teachers. It's just a really fun and educational event. I only have about 9 tickets left, so if you're interested in booking some classes, there's a couple left with me, and there's also a lot of classes available with the other teachers as well. So Kathleen with Cause Creations, Jessica Winterstrom, Pieces of Terror Artistry, Nate Bright Art, Britta Clayton, Massey Art Studio. Jeremy's going to be teaching, so it's going to be awesome. Canela Sirocco is going to be there, of course, doing her Dutch pour blowout, and it's going to be really, really fun. So we're all showing you our paintings today that will be in the raffle, and I can't wait to see you there. This was an interesting piece, and I hope you like it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll get you onto the canvas. Okay, so this is the first layer that I'm going to be using for a really pretty translucent pearl base coat painting. And I'm just kind of laying the colors down and blending them together, just that QNAG. And it's actually a TriArt kind of burgundy, red, burgundy, magenta color that they have. It's really pretty with some titanium white by Golden Fluid. So these are the paints for the puddle painting, for the pearl painting. That's white. And that's Sassafras by ColourArte. That is TLP Ginger Peach, and I mixed in some titanium white to get that really pretty beige. That's a couple different paints. And then this is a gold paint. It's a TriArt Harvest Gold and Ore mixed together. And then that's a pretty like Payne's Gray, Prussian Blue mixture. These are cell activators for the bloom technique, cobalt blue and Australian red violet mixed with titanium white. Also some fluorescent violet high flow. That's a pearl base coat in India yellow and a base coat in really light blushy pink. So I don't think I use everything there, but most of it. And then here's the canvas dry that I just showed you. I do let that first layer dry, and then that's just my translucent pearl base coat. So there's no pigment in here. There's a link in a video below to more details on that particular paint. Now I'm just covering the canvas with that translucent pearl base coat. And it's very sheer. It's very, very thin and watery, as you can see. It's going to dry quite clear, not 100% clear, but when it's this thin like this, you do get a nice, that layer, that first layer of painting is going to kind of shine through after it's dry. And I'm going to start with all these different puddle paints that I have. And yeah, this is really interesting. I kind of loved this painting wet almost more than I loved it after it dried. So I'm going to show you the process that I took after it dried with an airbrush. And I just used some titanium white in an airbrush and kind of filled in some of the areas to give it more of a kind of central composition with the pearls that I just loved in this painting. The pearls turned out just really beautiful, and I loved the composition. So I'll let you watch. Some of that bleeding that you're seeing there, that is a little bit of that ColourArte Sassafras paint that I'd put also on the dry canvas below, just to get a little bit of blending and bleeding into the base coat. I hope you enjoy this, and I'm so excited if you're coming to Fluid Art Experience. I'm so excited to meet you there. And this is going to be framed in a nice, pretty custom maple frame, and it'll be one of the raffle items at the gala dinner. Much love, and stay tuned for the drier results, and follow me on all the links below. There's so many beautiful ways to support me in my art, and I hope you know how grateful I am for all of your beautiful support. All right, take great care, and we will talk soon.